everyone, it's Pam with Organizer AZ911 here with 4 ways you can help increase your productivity throughout your day. Now when you're thinking about productivity, you have to think about setting up systems that'll help avoid interruptions. Because the truth of the matter is that every time you get an interruption in your day, it takes you 5 to 9 minutes for your brain to refocus on the project you were doing before that interruption. That means that if you got 10 interruptions in your day, you would lose an hour of your work time every day just refocusing. Over a week, you would have lost 5 hours of work time just based on interruptions and trying to refocus after those interruptions. So here are 4 ways you can hold those interruptions at bay. Number 1, your smartphone. I know it is a wonderful tool for all of us to use, but if you are focusing on a project and you don't want to have any interruptions, turn that ringer off, put your iPhone in a drawer somewhere, and if you're worried about missing that call, put an auto reply on it so that they know that you will get back to them as soon as possible. Number 2, try to avoid checking your emails repeatedly. So here's a couple of things that you can do to help remedy that. Number 1, turn off the notifications. You do not need to be notified every second a new email drops in, okay? And number 2, maybe set up 1 or 2 times a day that your sole focus is reading your emails and responding to them at that time. You can also put an auto reply on your email saying that I'm currently working on a project. I will respond to you as soon as I'm through. It is a way that you can gain control over your own time. Number 3, don't be afraid to use your door as a defense to protect your productivity. Okay, if you have a project you need to focus on, close that door and even put a do not disturb sign on the outside. This is really crucial for people who work from their home like I do. You need to set up boundaries of when it's okay to approach you and when you need to have focused thought. Okay, and this sometimes is all you need to do. Now if you're worried that someone has something important they need to tell you, simply put a message board outside your door. I have one here that I have, they put the date, their message, and then I have a place where I can check off whether whatever situation was resolved. I mean, it's really simple to do. I just took a dollar store clipboard and 3 command hooks, and I put that up there, and now my kids, if they really have something they want me to know about, but they know it's not a good time to interrupt me, they can just put the message on this board, and when I'm done, I open the door, I look out to see if I missed anything, and I can respond to them at that time. Number 4, remember one simple word: no. Sometimes we get approached by many different people asking for our help, and we just don't have enough hours in the day. No matter how much we want to help them, we can't. And so it is not a bad thing to say no occasionally if it's going to keep you from getting the jobs that you really need to get done. So don't be afraid to use the word no occasionally when you're getting a little overwhelmed and you need to take control of your time. Okay, I hope those tips helped. If they did, please give me a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and if you're new to my channel, please poke that subscribe button as well and ring the bell so that you know when I'm uploading new videos. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ911. Thanks for watching.